Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 16 from sloka number 11. Chintamaparimeyancha pralayantamupashritaha kamopabhogaparamaha etavaditi nishtitaha. Krishna is explained to Arjuna about the demonic nature. They are engrossed in satisfying their sensory desire, believing it to be the prime importance. They are filled with anxiety, bound by numerous desires. आशापाशशतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान्. They make unlimited boundary of lust that leads to hatred and frustration. This leads to do the pride, tribe, theft, murder, giving fears to others, like that they involved in the adharma path. Idamadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoratham idamastidamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. The ungodly entity assumes, I have gained much today. I shall therefore gain more tomorrow. This is mine, and it will increase in the future. One enemy has been killed. Therefore, the other shall also meet with a similar fate. Asau maya hata shatruhu हनिष्ये चापरानपि ईश्वरोऽहमहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहं बलवान् सुखी. I am the Lord, I am the enjoyer, I am the successful, powerful and happy. I am wealthy and of high birth. So the they are think about this. आढ्योऽभिजनवानस्मि कोऽन्योऽस्ति सदृशो मया यक्ष्ये दास्यामि मोदिष्ये इत्यज्ञानविमोहिताः. There is none as powerful as I am. I shall perform sacrifices, give charity, and rejoice. In this way, they are deluded by their ignorance. अनके चित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च. Confused by various anxieties as a result of being trapped in a network of illusions, they become deeply attached to sensory pleasure and fall into hell. आत्मसम्भावितास्तब्धाः धनमानमदान्विताः यजन्ते नाम यज्ञैस्ते दम्भेनाविधिपूर्वकम्. Conceited, stubborn, proud, and deluded by wealth, they perform superficial sacrifices in name only that are not according to Vedic injunctions. Ahankaram balan darpam kamam krodham cha ma samshritaha mamatma paradeheshu pradeshantobhyasuyakaha. Due to egoism, power, arrogance, lust, and anger, the demonic persons become envious of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is situated in their own bodies and the bodies of others. Tanahan dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman Shipam yajastramashubhan Asurishveva yonishu. Those who are envious and wicked, who are the lowest among men, I repeatedly cast them into the ocean of material existence. आसुरीयोनिमापन्नाः मूढा जन्मनि जन्मनि मामप्राप्यैव कौन्तेय ततो यान्त्यधमां गतिम्. O son of Kunti, due to repeated births in the materialistic world, these demonic beings can never approach me. Instead, they sink lower into an abominable existence. Trividhan narakasyedam dvarannashanamaatmanah kamah krodhastatha lobhah tasmadetattrayan tyajet. There are three gates that leads to hell: lust, anger, and greed. These should be abandoned as they corrupt the soul. एतैर्विमुक्तः कौन्तेय तमोद्वारैस्त्रिभिर्नरः आचरत्यात्मनः श्रेयः ततो याति परां गतिम्. Those who have escaped from the three gates of hell engage in acts of self-realization and slowly attain their spiritual destination. यशास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः न स सिद्धिमवाप्नोति न सुखं न परां गतिम्. One who discards scriptural dictates and acts out of impulse attains neither perfection nor happiness nor the unlimited goal and ultimate goal of life. तस्माच्चास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्याकार्यौ व्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि. By the regulation of the scriptures, one should understand, that is, what is the duty and what is not duty. And knowing these regulation, one must act accordingly so that he may be gradually elevated. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Sauvade Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yogo Nama Chodashodhyayah.